Hi, I'm Anna. I'm your blue shirt expert here at Best Buy. Today on Best Buy's Unboxed, we're going to be taking a look at the Withings Smartwatch. Now I'm so excited, I don't want to wait anymore, let's get right into it. The first thing I notice is the smooth design of the packaging. It's super simple and just slides out of the box. I love that I don't have to battle with any extra pieces of cardboard, and it feels really user-friendly. Now, opening the box up, the first thing you're gonna see is your little greeting from Withings and just a little motivational quote for you. Now, right in the box is your soft travel case, included just to protect your watch in the very few times that it's not on your wrist. Underneath, you've got your information and your quick guides. Now, opening up your travel case, you're gonna find you've got your magnetic charging cable. Now this charging cable you don't have to get super familiar with because you're only gonna have to use it about once every 30 days. And now to the part that I'm most excited about, the Smartwatch itself. Right off the bat, I'm noticing the gorgeous design. The round stainless steel frame and the sapphire glass give it such a classic look while still integrating that smart aspect with the display screen here. Even the band is soft and it's smooth, and I can already tell it's not going to irritate my sensitive skin. Withings offers an array of watch and band colors, so you can customize it and make it uniquely yours. I love that I can wear this with absolutely anything, and it will tie my whole look together rather than looking bulky or even out of place. Not only is this a beautiful watch, it's incredibly smart. The sensors on the back here let you see your steps, your heart rate, keep track of where you're at in your fitness goals, and even get an ECG reading or test your blood oxygen levels in about 30 seconds. That's amazing! You finally have all of your essential health information right at the tips of your fingers. Now, how does all of this data tie together? Withings uses the HealthMate smartphone app to compile all of the collected data into one place via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So you can keep track of everything from sleep cycles to your workouts, and your Smartwatch will even automatically detect activities like running, walking, swimming, biking, and automatically sync them to your app. I'm so excited to finally have a smartwatch that goes above and beyond without sacrificing any style. If you want to learn more about the Smartwatch and some of the features that we didn't get a chance to talk about, like the GPS and the sleep cycles, then click the link below and chat with one of our experts over at the virtual store. My name is Anna, and today on Best Buy's Unboxed, we took a look at the Withings Smartwatch. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.